Welcome to my study channel. Friends, our today's topic is computer education. These are previous year's exam and most important one-liner questions and answers of computer education. These questions are useful for all competitive exams. For example, SBI, NDA, UPSC and JKSSB. So keep focus on these questions. So friends, let's start from question number 1. Question number 1 is you can tab. Use the tab key to dash. ये बोल रहा है कि you can tab. Use the tab key to dash. Answer is move the cursor down the screen. Move the cursor down the screen. And second is move the cursor across the screen. Friends, in the exam, if only one option is there, you have to choose that option. But in case these two options are there, then you have to choose both A and B. So this is the answer. Question number 2 is which key enable the input of numbers quickly? Question number 2 is which key enable the input of numbers quickly? The answer is the numeric keypad. Question number 3 is you use a dash such as keyboard or mouse to input information. So the answer is input device. We use input device such as keyboard or mouse to input information. Question number 4 is a or an dash camera is a peripheral device used to capture still image in a digital format that can be easily transferred into a computer and manipulated using the graphics software. Answer is digital. Friends, these questions are most important because these questions have been repeated 2 or 3 times in the banking exam, ND exam and SSC exam. So these questions I have mentioned here. Please give focus on these questions so that while your exam, once you see the option there, you can tick it easily. So next question is question number 5. OCR stands for. Here he has asked about OCR's full form. So the answer is optical character recognition. OCR stands for optical character recognition. Question number 6 is which device is used as the standard pointing device in a graphical user environment? I repeat the question. Which device is used as the standard pointing device in a graphical user environment? Answer is mouse. Question number 7 is the arrow key can be used to dash. Answer is move the cursor in the text that has already been entered. The arrow key can be used. The arrow keys can be used to dash. Answer is mouse the cursor in the text that has already been entered. Question number 8 is what is a keyboard used for? Question number 8 is what is a keyboard used for? So the answer is input text and numbers and send commands to the computer. Keyboard is used for input text and numbers and send commands to the computer. Question number 9 is what are the speakers attached to your computer used for? I repeat the question. What are the speakers attached to your computer used for? This is also repeated question. So the answer is handling sound and music. Here N is missing. Handling sound and music. The mouse dash usually appears in the shape of an arrow. So the answer is pointer. The mouse pointer usually appears in the shape of an arrow. The most common storage device for a personal computer is the dash. The most common storage device for a personal computer is the floppy disk. Answer is floppy disk. Question number 12 is the most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is the. The most frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is the keyboard. Answer is keyboard. So this is the right option. Question number 3 is a sales clerk at a checkout counter scanning tag on an item rather than keying it into the system is using. वो क्या यूज कर रहा है? He is using scanning automation. He is using scanning automation. Important question. Question number 13 is a dash is often used to highlight or select. So the answer is mouse. The mouse is often used to highlight or select. The mouse frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is the dash. The mouse frequently used piece of hardware for inputting data is the dash, that is keyboard. कीबोर्ड माउस जो है हम फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज करते हैं. द डैश में आल्सो बी कॉल्ड द स्क्रीन आर मोनिटर. सो द डिस्प्ले में आल्सो बी कॉल्ड एज द स्क्रीन आर मोनिटर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 इज इन अ कंप्यूटर which device is functionally opposite to a keyboard? Answer is printer. In a computer, which device is functionally opposite to a keyboard? That is printer. Answer is printer. Question number 17 is devices that enter information and let you communicate with the computer are called. Devices that enter information and let you communicate with the computer are called dash, that is input devices. Question number 18 is which of these is a point and draw device? Answer is mouse. Mouse is point and draw device. Question number 19 is a joystick is primarily used to or for dash. Answer is computer gaming. So a joystick is primarily used for computer gaming. Question number 20 and last question of today is the first computer mouse was built by. Answer is Douglas Angel Watt. The first computer mouse was built by Douglas Angel Watt. So friends, today we have completed 22 or 3 time repeated questions. So these questions were very important, so we have discussed today. So thanks for watching this video. Friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get all latest videos. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.